Si Senator De Lima is already in jail. Do you think this will finally quiet down the issue sa kanya po, Speaker?
Hindi ma'am, kasi ano yan meron siyang hinaharap na kaso. It's a criminal case, no? Nalulungkot ako na parang tinutwist nila yung facts. They would want to make it appear na political persecution ito. Hindi po. Alam po ng sambayanan na merong nangyaring krimen. Now, bakit lumaganap yung illegal drugs during her watch doon as the DOJ Secretary? Lumabas po lahat yan doon sa pagdinig natin na ginawa sa House of Representatives.
Right. Doon po nag-umpisa.
Opo. Alam po ng sambayanan yan. Kaya nga po, yung kampanya nila nasa international community. Kasi hindi nila alam nagre-react yung international community on the basis of wrong facts.
You know, Speaker, I wanted to bring this in because I remember when we were speaking to you, sabi mo nga, where she should be detained, you went on to say that baka dapat sa mental hospital siya mapunta. There were a few tweets, Speaker, na nagsasabing, parang hindi ata tama that si Speaker Alvarez would act and speak that way. How do you react?
Ano hindi tama, ma'am? Sinasabi ko lang naman yung totoo yung sa loobin ko. Nakikita ko dun sa demeanor niya prior to the arrest na kung ano-ano nang sinasabi. You know, inviting the people para sumama sa kanya. Hindi ho ba may tama na yung di ba? So kailangan talaga niya ng psychological treatment. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Parang psychological debriefing doon po sa mental hospital.
All right, so a vote on the death penalty, very controversial, Speaker, something we will expect possibly